China's technological evolution has been nothing short of extraordinary. Once known as the factory of the world, China is now a global leader in innovation. This transformation is evident in the country's booming technology sector and its impact on the global stage. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, China is at the forefront of cutting-edge technologies. This rapid ascent has positioned China as a key player in shaping the future of technology. The world is witnessing the dawn of a new era, one in which China's technological prowess is reshaping industries and societies. China's journey towards technological dominance began with a focus on manufacturing. The country became the go-to destination for low-cost production, earning the reputation of the world's factory. However, China's ambitions extended far beyond simply assembling products designed elsewhere. Recognizing the need to move up the value chain, China embarked on a deliberate path of innovation. This strategic shift involved massive investments in research and development, fostering a culture of entrepreneurship and attracting top talent from around the globe. The result is a thriving ecosystem of tech giants and startups, all pushing the boundaries of innovation. China's transformation from imitator to innovator is a testament to its long-term vision and unwavering commitment to technological advancement. Artificial intelligence, or AI, lies at the heart of China's technological revolution. The country has made significant strides in AI research and development, evident in its world-leading number of AI patents and publications. But the impact of AI extends far beyond research labs. China is rapidly deploying AI across various sectors, transforming industries and revolutionizing everyday life. From self-driving cars and smart cities to healthcare and personalized education, AI is seamlessly integrating into the fabric of Chinese society. This widespread adoption is fueled by government support, a vast pool of data, and a culture that embraces technological solutions. As AI continues to evolve, China is well positioned to lead the world in harnessing its transformative power. Along with AI, China is making significant strides in 5G and the Internet of Things, or IoT. These technologies are laying the foundation for a smarter, more connected future, with China leading the charge in their deployment and adoption. 5G, with its lightning-fast speeds and low latency, is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Meanwhile, the IoT is connecting billions of devices, enabling seamless data exchange and automation. This interconnected ecosystem is powering smart cities, optimizing industrial processes, and enhancing everyday experiences. China's early investment in 5G and IoT infrastructure is giving it a competitive edge in shaping the future of these transformative technologies. Section 5. China's Digital Silk Road, extending technological influence. China's technological ambitions extend beyond its borders with the Digital Silk Road, an initiative aimed at building digital infrastructure and promoting technology collaboration with countries around the world. This ambitious project encompasses everything from laying undersea cables to launching satellites, all with the goal of creating a global network powered by Chinese technology. The Digital Silk Road is a testament to China's growing global influence in the technology sector. It is also a strategic move aimed at positioning China as a leading provider of digital infrastructure and services to developing nations. As the Digital Silk Road expands, it will undoubtedly reshape global trade, communication, and technological development. Section 6. The Challenges of Progress. Addressing ethical and competitive concerns. China's rapid technological advancements have not come without challenges. Concerns about privacy, data security, and the ethical implications of AI have been raised both domestically and internationally. As China continues to develop and deploy powerful technologies, it faces the crucial task of establishing robust regulatory frameworks that ensure responsible innovation. Addressing these concerns is essential for building trust and ensuring that technological progress benefits all of humanity. China's willingness to engage in open dialogue and collaborate with the international community will be crucial for navigating these complex issues. Section 7. Quantum Leap. China's ambitions in next-generation computing. Looking ahead, China is determined to become a global leader in quantum computing, a revolutionary technology with the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable for classical computers. Quantum computing has far-reaching implications for fields such as medicine, materials science, and artificial intelligence. China's significant investments in quantum research and development are already yielding promising results. The country is home to some of the world's most advanced quantum computers and is actively cultivating a new generation of quantum scientists and engineers. China's ambition in quantum computing highlights its commitment to staying at the forefront of the global technological landscape. Section 8. Green Technological Revolution, Pioneering Sustainable Solutions. As China continues its technological ascent, it is also acutely aware of the need for sustainability. The country is facing pressing environmental challenges and is responding with a green technological revolution. China is now a global leader in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and sustainable manufacturing practices. This commitment to green technology is driven by a combination of factors, including the need to address environmental concerns, reduce dependence on fossil fuels, and create new economic opportunities. China's investments in green technology are not only transforming its own industries, but also inspiring other nations to follow suit. Section 9. Global Impact, Navigating a New World Order in Technology. China's technological rise has profound implications for the global order. As China becomes a leading innovator, it is reshaping industries, influencing geopolitical dynamics, and setting new standards for technological advancement. The world is entering a new era, one in which China's technological prowess is a defining feature. This new world order demands a shift in thinking and a willingness to engage in constructive dialogue. Collaboration rather than competition will be key to harnessing the full potential of technology for the benefit of all. Section 10. The future is now embracing the opportunities and challenges. China's technological revolution is a story of ambition, innovation, and relentless pursuit of progress. From its humble beginnings as a manufacturing hub to its current status as a global tech titan, China has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to technological advancement. As we navigate this era of unprecedented technological change, one thing is certain: the future is being shaped in China. The world must now grapple with the implications of China's technological rise and embrace the opportunities and challenges it presents. The future is now, and it is unfolding at an electrifying